IDAT Practice Test Tips 2026 International Diagnostic Admissions Test. All you need to know. Question 1. Which sentence uses the correct form of the future continuous tense? I will hike next week. I will be hiking this time next week. I will have hiked by next week. I am hiking next week. The future continuous tense is will be plus verb ing, used for actions in progress in the future. Question 2. Which prefix means under or below? Super dash, trans dash, sub dash, auto. The prefix sub dash means under, as in subway or submarine. Question 3. Identify the passive voice version of the chef prepared the meal. The meal is prepared by the chef. The meal was prepared by the chef. The chef was preparing the meal. The meal will be prepared by the chef. The passive voice of the past simple prepared is was / were prepared. Question 4. Which word is a synonym for vast, tiny, immense, narrow, fragile? Immense means extremely large or great, which is a synonym for vast. Question 5. Choose the correct modal verb to express a high possibility. It ______ rain later. Look at those dark clouds. Might, could, must, should. Must expresses a strong belief or high probability based on evidence. Question 6. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? The students' books are on the table. 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 For a plural noun ending in s, the possessive is formed by adding only an apostrophe. Question 7. Solve for x. 3x plus 7 equals 22. X equals 3. X equals 5. X equals 7. X equals 15. Subtract 7 from 22 to get 15, then divide 15 by 3 to get 5. Question 8. What is the sum of the internal angles of a triangle? 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. The sum of the interior angles of any triangle is always 180 degrees. Question 9. Calculate the area of a rectangle with a length of 12 centimeters and a width of 5 centimeters. 17 square centimeters, 34 square centimeters, 60 square centimeters, 70 square centimeters. Area of a rectangle equals length times width. 12 * 5 equals 60. Question 10. If a train travels at 60 kilometers per hour, how far will it travel in 2.5 hours? 120 kilometers, 135 kilometers, 150 kilometers, 180 kilometers. Distance equals speed times time. 60 * 2.5 equals 150 kilometers. Question 11. Find the mean of the numbers 4, 8, 12, 16, 8, 10, 12, 14. Mean equals, for plus 8 plus 12 plus 16, /4 equals 40 /4 equals 10. Question 12. What is 1/4 plus 2/3, 3/7, 5/12, 11/12, 3/12? Common denominator is 12. 3/12 plus 8/12 equals 11/12. Question 13. In a logic pattern 2, 6, 12, 20, what is the next number? 26, 28, 30, 32. The differences are 4, 6, 8. The next difference should be 10. 20 plus 10 equals 30. Question 14. Which of the following does not belong in the group? Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Moon. Mars, Jupiter, and Venus are planets. The Moon is a natural satellite. Question 15. What is the primary gas found in the Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. Question 16. Which continent is also a country? Africa, Australia, Europe, Antarctica. Australia is both a continent and a country. Question 17. What is the process by which plants make their own food? Respiration, photosynthesis, digestion, transpiration. Photosynthesis is the process plants use to convert sunlight into energy. Question 18. Which of these is a primary color in the additive color model? Light, yellow, green, magenta, cyan. The primary colors of light are red, green, and blue, RGB. Question 19. Who is credited with the laws of motion and universal gravitation? Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Galileo Galilei, Marie Curie. Sir Isaac Newton formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation. Question 20. If all A are B, and some B are C, which statement must be true? All A are C, some A are C, some B are A, all C are B. If all A are B, then any member of A is also a member of B, meaning some B must be A.